Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your iPhone 14. And this is easy to do. So locate the side button and go to the volume up button right here. Then locate the power button on the other side. And what you want to do is press these buttons quickly together at the same time. So volume up and then the power button on the other side. So let's press them now. And you're going to know it takes a screenshot because you're going to hear the sound effect and the screen will do this. And you'll see a little picture over there in the bottom left. And we can tap this and then we can delete it if we want, or we can crop this image if we're just trying to capture a specific part of the screen. And then we can go to Done. And then we can save it to Photos, save it to Files, save it to Quick Notes, copy and delete, or to delete a screenshot. So decide what you want to do. But it's very easy to take a screenshot on your iPhone 14. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.